Here's one way to make your own liposomal encapsulated vitamin C. You'll need a measuring cup, a blender, a tablespoon, a wooden spoon, an ultrasonic cleaner, distilled water, ascorbic acid powder, soy or sunflower lecithin, and mason jars. Start by adding 1 level tablespoon of ascorbic acid to half a cup of distilled water. Blend for 1 minute. Keep this mixture handy in a glass. Now add 3 level tablespoons of lecithin to 1 cup of distilled water. Come on. Blend for 1 minute. Pour the lecithin and distilled water mixture into the ultrasonic cleaner. Now add the ascorbic acid and distilled water mixture. Turn on the ultrasonic cleaner and let it work for 6 minutes. Stir it about once every minute with the wooden spoon. The ultrasonic cleaner will probably turn itself off after a couple of minutes. When it does, just restart it. Now pour the whole mixture into a big bowl. Don't try to pour it directly into a mason jar.
Oh, you f***ing son of a...
This recipe will fill a typical sized mason jar. The mixture will become unstable after 3 days if not refrigerated, so keep it in the fridge. A good health maintenance dose is 1,000 milligrams or 1 tablespoon a day, for an absorption factor of at least 800 milligrams.